this is Mabel, and I will be showing you how to make a normal circle stuffed animal. That'll be so it's easy for your first try. Okay, this down here is everything I will need. You and I will need. So here is, you'll need any color of fabric, and you will need some scissors and stuffed, a marker, a needle, some thread, and if you want, you can get a puffball for some decoration. Well, let's get started. Right now, I am folding the fabric and writing because you need to fold it so that you get two pieces. And now you can use a stencil if you want, but I was just gonna write a circle. So right now I'm writing the circle. Okay, I'm getting the scissors to cut it out. Okay, I am cutting it out right now. I'm trying to cut it very carefully to get it exactly on the circle that I drawed. Okay. Now I've cut out the circle. Now I'm taking it apart, and if you didn't cut it all the way, make sure you cut it into two separate circles. Okay, now you're gonna get one needle, and you're gonna get your some of your thread, cut the thread, and then you're gonna need to thread your needle. Make sure that that your piece of thread is long enough so that you can get it through. It took me a little while, so you can get some help. Okay. And then I tied it around so it doesn't come out. Now I put the needle in the top through both pieces, and then I took it, and then after the needle's all the way under there, sewed in, then I will bring it back up and then pull it. And I keep doing that, and I make sure I get all the way through both of them. And then when you're halfway done, push the stuffed in, get the stuffed back in there, get it back in there good, and then sew that part in. You need to get it back in there good so that you don't put it through the stuff. So then you sew that part in while it's back there. And so when you get all the way around the circle, then you cut the thread and get it off of there, and then you cut it off of the needle, and then you can start putting your stuff away. Right now I'm putting the needles away. Sorry, I didn't get to use the puffball. And I'm putting the thread away, the scissors, and I'm shutting it. I hope you liked this video. And this was the circle. Bye!